Hi, my name is Shweta and I'm the International Liaison Officer for Royal Roads University. I manage South and Southeast Asia region. Royal Roads University is based in Victoria, which is the capital city of British Columbia. We are a public university and we are based in a huge 565-acre campus, which is also a historic site. Many movies have also been filmed there. We offer programs at different levels, right from bachelor's degree to credit transfer and master's and the diploma courses. We are a medium-sized institution with nearly 5,000 students with us, but we have over 108 nationalities present on campus. So Royal Roads is a mature university. We offer a lot of master's degree programs, starting from our global management to tourism management, masters in intercultural and international communication. We also offer courses which are on the credit transfer options, where students they have completed 2 years in any of in their home country, and then they can transfer directly into the third year of our bachelor's degree program. But yes, we do have the global leadership and environment-related courses as well. So Royal Roads, like I said, we are a public university, and majority of our programs are designed for the experiential learning. Students will have a lot of opportunities to work on a part-time basis, but they also have the options to have internships, field trips, industry-related projects, a lot of consulting projects, a lot of networking events also happen. All our on-campus programs are PGWP eligible, right from the bachelor's degree to the master's and the diploma courses as well. So we have a counseling team, we have a student support team, student services team, and they help students with all their issues, whether it's related to their studies, whether it's related to their accommodation or finding a part-time job. All of that support is available on campus to all the students who study at Royal Roads University. So they just have to go and seek the service. Our career team is very, very active. They train all the students before they start their internship period or they are doing a live project. They also organize a careers event where we invite companies over, and that's a platform we give it to all our students. So the student union is again quite active. We celebrate all the festivals across the globe. There's always something happening at the campus. There are a lot of networking events also which are supported for the international students. So any information the students they need, any kind of a help they need, it's all available on campus. So Pacific Premier have been our partner for very many years, and they have been supporting a lot of students to study abroad, especially in Canada. Any student who's looking out to apply to Royal Roads University, I would suggest that you check out the website and look at the program that you're interested in, and then please reach out to the Pacific Premier team, because like I said, they are one of our trusted partners. They will help the students, with their application process, and of course, guiding them through selecting the program, visa-related issues. So this is going to be a one-stop shop to come and seek all the help if you're planning to study in Canada.